It's time for 2 minutes by my watches. Hello everyone, welcome to the review of this brand new Cadisen. Cadisen is a Chinese brand which has a reputation for producing watches with good value for money. First Cadisen for me, and I think it won't be the last. I couldn't wait to receive it and test it with you. This model doesn't have a name, but only a number, so let's call it Bruno. Bruno is sold with a bracelet, but I dislike butterfly clasps, so I change it right away to a leather strap. However, if you like bracelets, know that it's a little bit cheaper than the watch itself. Apparently, some have little default marks on the bezel, but mine is perfect, I'm lucky. They choose to put a decorated case back, it's different. I'm not a big fan because we barely see the movement through. Let's zoom in to see all the details of the case and the dial in macro shots. As you can see, the case is one of the strengths of this watch. The alternation of polished and brushed surfaces on the bezel and the lugs is really well done. It's pretty. The sunray brushing of the dial is also superb. The rose gold indexes are classy with the central line touch. Wow, very well done Cadisen. Even their logo fits perfectly into the design. I was thinking of buying it, testing it and reselling it, but ultimately I'm going to keep it. It's very beautiful in this light green and rose gold color. Everything is very well balanced, well aligned, well finished. The specs are good. What more can we ask for that price? I think nothing. I'm really well surprised by this watch and I can't wait to discover another model of this brand. Available for only 68 euros in 2 different colors. You guessed which one I prefer. This is how it looks on my 19.5 cm wrist, or should I say 7.7 inches circumference wrist. Affiliate link is in video description. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and commenting it, subscribing my channel, blah blah blah. Bye!